the Sangam Age. This represents the Dravidian area of India. So we have seen in the history about the Satavahana's history. After that, we are describing now the history in Tamil and Dravidian area. And then let us discuss about the Sangam Age. What is a Sangam? A group of poets put together and come together and form into an assembly. And that assembly is said to be the Sangam. These poets are from Tamilian land. They are supported and they are patronized by these royal kings. We don't know how many number of Sangams or the period for which they were existed and held. But it is stated in one Tamil commentary or some of these Tamil commentaries in the 8th century AD that there were 3 Sangams which were lasted for 9,990 years. These Sangams were attended by 8,595 poets and had 197 Pandya kings as patrons for these Sangams. All this appears to be very exaggerated one, but we can conclude from this commentary that there was existence of Sangams, and especially in Pandyan kingdom at a place called Madurai. The available Sangam literature which was produced from these assemblies was compiled in the years of AD between 300 to 600 years. But parts of the literature goes back to the 2nd century AD in those books, in those literatures. The Sangam literature can be roughly divided into 2 major groups. They are called the narrative group and also the another one is didactic group. The narrative texts are called MELKANNAKKU. There were about 18 major works consisting of 8 anthologies and 10 i-dylls. Anthologies means the poets who write on a same subject in the same language and it can be compared by these Sangams. I-dylls means the poetry or also the prose that was written for the purpose of preaching. It was a long poetry, maybe a prayer, maybe describing some god, etc. The didactic works are called MELKANNAKKU. They are also of 18 in number. Their works are myriad works in nature.